Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find saved post on LinkedIn. Friends, while scrolling on LinkedIn, if you like some post and save it, so later to see those saved posts, you need to open LinkedIn. Now here you need to press on the small arrow below the profile picture and here click on view profile. Now here click on resources. Now here you will find saved items. Click on it. Now here it will show all the saved posts. In my case I have only saved one post, so it is showing one post saved. So friends, like this you can very easily see your saved post on LinkedIn. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.